Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with a 2018 Ford F-150. It's got a 6-inch lift, some 20x12 wheels with a negative 44mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 RT tires. Now, in order to make it fit, there is not a lot that has to go into it. There's a little bit of plastic trimming on the rear of your fender. This is a Lariat, so it's got this extra little factory fender flare. So there's a little bit of plastic trimming on the rear of the fender flare, including the inner fender. And then on the front, you have to trim your front valence, which is very common. It's just this piece of plastic right here. You need to trim it just to get the tire to pass it. And then also your front crash bar. On 2015 and up F-150s, they added a crash bar on the front and the rear. It's supposed to help with safety and help keep people alive, which we love. But it kind of gets in the way of oversized tires. So you got a couple options with that crash bar. A lot of people just chop it off, which, you know, you do you, more power to you, to each his own. But what we like to do is we like to just take a quarter of that crash bar off. If you separate your crash bar into 4 different quadrants, your front right, front left, rear right, rear inner, rear outer, we typically take out the rear outer quarter of that crash bar. It takes more time and it's more difficult, but it retains 75% of the crash bar is still there. I understand it's not going to protect you as much as the full crash bar, but it is still there. And we just take a reciprocating saw, we cut along the front of the vehicle until we're about halfway down on the crash bar, and then we cut towards the front of the vehicle to take that rear outer piece of the crash bar off. So yes, 35s on 20x12s with a 6-inch lift will clear with a little bit of metal trimming and a little bit of plastic trimming. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want parts for your vehicle, they're pretty neat. They allow you to do stuff like this to your trucks, Jeeps, whatever you drive. Go to our website. Maybe we can sell you some parts. Also, if you want to buy a vehicle, if you want to buy an F-150 that's already built, go to our website. We have F-150s listed that are currently for sale that you can call the dealer up and say, hey, I'm on my way, I'm buying this truck. So you don't have to buy the truck, let us lift it, it's just already done. Again, my name's Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.